Hi, let us make cupcakes everyone loves to buy and eat. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Or, as I like to think of it, the perfect temperature for baking delicious cupcakes. Step 2. Fill the cupcake liners, 2/3 full with batter. But don't overfill them, or your cupcakes will erupt like mini volcanoes. Step 3. Bake the cupcakes for 15 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. But don't overbake them, or they'll be dry and crumbly. Step 4. Let the cupcakes cool completely on a wire rack before frosting. This is important, or your frosting will melt right off. Step 5. Frost the cupcakes with your favorite frosting and enjoy. And don't forget to share with your friends. That's it. Enjoy your journey to creating a successful cupcake bakery business.